Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very quick, easy recipe for Epis. Um, it's similar to sofrito, but they copied us, so it's not the same. Ours is better. I'm using red bell peppers, orange bell peppers, white onions, shallots, lots of garlic, parsley, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. Any hot pepper. You could just use regular chili if you want. Scallion, lots of it, or I think some people call it green onions. I know that's scallion. And one Maggie cube, and some, of course, cloves, ground pepper. I ground it before I put. I know it's gonna ground in the blender, but I just did it a little bit. And then I'm going to also use some sour orange juice and some salt and some mixed seasonings that I use. A lot of other mixed seasoning. I mixed chicken seasoning and this all-purpose Jamaican seasoning that I mixed, all of that, and I used about half a cup to put in that Epis to make it tasty. Anyways, I think Epis is the easiest Haitian recipe. Once you have everything cut up in the blender, just put them in the blender and then just blend it away. Just blend it until smooth. Some people like theirs a little bit chunky, but I like mine smooth. You know, it depends. If you're making rice, it's good to be chunky, but hey, we don't have time in the USA. Anywhere in the world, actually. We don't have that much time to be doing all that. So some people make Epis every time they cook, which if you do, it's good for you. That's really nice. But yeah, it's the easiest thing. You just have all these things and then you just blend everything and then boom, you have Epis. And this is the base of every Haitian dishes. If you do not put Epis in your food, do not dare to call it a Haitian dish, because this would be very disrespectful, and I do not appreciate anyone who disrespects my culture and my traditions. I'm not being serious, but obviously I don't want anybody to disrespect my culture or my traditions, but hey, yeah, I mean, I've seen it. But anyways, yeah, it's the easiest thing, and it's like, you know, you could put it on any savory dish. Anything you're making, you put it in it. It's the base, like I said. It's the secret, you know. And of course, cloves, you know. Cloves make the food taste really good. It doesn't taste good when you chew it like that, you know, when you eat it by itself like that, obviously. But when you put it when you put it in your Epis, and you know, you could cook it in the food, it enhances the flavor of the dish. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you make that. And if you like the video and if you enjoy it, please subscribe to my channel for more, and also give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're a fucking hater. I'm pretty sure you're not. Because if you got that far, you're not a fucking hater. You're a motherfucking fan, and I fucking love you, and I appreciate you. And go ahead and make a piece, okay? And leave a comment. Let me know how it is, how you liked it. And thank you for watching. And you have a good night or a good day, wherever you are, whatever time you're watching. Thank you. Bye.